crisp 4K front plus 1080p rear recording. Now let's talk about video quality, because what's the point of a dashcam if you can't see what's happening? The front camera shoots in 4K UHD, which means you can clearly read license plates, see road markers, and catch details you'd normally miss. You also get a wide 170-degree field of view, so the camera captures almost everything happening in front of you. The rear camera records in 1080p, which is perfect for anyone who parks in tight lots or deals with people who love reversing without checking their mirrors. Both cameras give you smooth, clean footage that actually looks good, no matter if it's day or if it's night. Night vision. And speaking of night, you'll like this. A lot of dashcams claim they have great night vision, until you check the footage and everything looks like a shadowy blur. This one uses a Sony Starvis sensor, an f2.0 aperture, and HDR, which means you get real visibility in low light. You can actually see details, headlights, faces, plates, and all the things that matter when it comes to evidence. So whether you're on a dark road or parking in a dim spot, your footage still looks clear. Smart G sensor. Another thing you'll appreciate, the G sensor is actually smart. It can detect 3 levels of impact. High sensitivity, something small like a person brushing against your car. Medium sensitivity, slow speed bumps. Low sensitivity, major collisions. This saves you from random false alarms and focuses on what you actually need.